Hello and welcome back to our channel. We're doing this on another boat today. We're actually looking at this boat that's on the market with us and going through in detail the pre-season work that's just been carried out. We did it the other week on another boat and we just thought it's a really good opportunity to show you how well some of our listings are looked after. Now this is a Superhawk 43 behind me. She's currently on the market with us. She's a triple engine boat and we're going to go and have a look at all the work that's been carried out. So I'm going to take the camera from my colleague here, James, and show you around the boat. Now this is a boat I've known for quite a few years. I've actually know her from new. I didn't supply her new, but I do know the original owner. And since then, I've sold her to the current owner and the previous owner. Now what I want to show in today's video is just the quality of work on this boat. It's absolutely exceptional. Now this is a black-hulled boat, so you can actually probably see me there in the reflection. The boat is always very shiny anyway, but Crystal Marine, who look after this particular boat, have gone through their multi-stage polishing system and they've just brought that boat right up to sort of perfect condition really for the season. The boat's also been anti-fouled. Now anti-fouling is, it's an important process of the job, but there are anti-fouls and there are anti-fouls, and it really does come back down to how it's applied. You can see that's nice and smooth. You've got no striping in it. It's a lovely job. You can see there the step in the hull, and if you just look at the condition of the hull as well, there's no flaking of any paint. It's all in really nice condition. If I just bring the camera back round a little bit like that again, just to show you that shine on the hull, absolutely awesome. So what they've done now is they've polished just above the rubbing strip to the bottom of the rails there, and then they'll do the rest of it when she's back in the water. You've got the Sunseeker logo down here. You can see this is in a metallic. Again, that's in beautiful condition. It's as new, really nice. And then coming round to the business end, as I mentioned in the intro, this is a triple engine boat. So you can see here the drives. Now the drives haven't been serviced this year, but all the oils have been checked because that's where they are on their schedule. And the oils have reported back all very clean and good. Got nice new fresh anodes on all the drives. So you can see here you've got them on the rams. You've also then got fresh prop anodes to go on. All in very nice condition. So this is a performance boat capable of speeds in excess of 45 knots. You can see the trim tabs here, again all being anti-fouled, and then you've got the bluefin underwater lights located there. Obviously we don't anti-foul that bit, turn the anti-foul us around, but all in really nice condition. And just look at the props. In fact, I'm going to bring this prop out into the sun without dropping it, just so you can see how nice and clean these are. So this is a single propeller on each drive, but just look how nice and clean they are, ready for going on the boat to give some extra speed when she goes back in, I'm sure. So take you around the starboard side now. Again, this is the port side. It's been completely polished. Lovely shine on that hull. It really is good. And this has been done like this for the last, well, however many years the current owner's owned her. He's had the same company do this level of work. So it's great for that continuity. And I'm sure for anyone looking to buy a Superhawk 43, there's not going to be many, if any, out in the market that are this well cared for, and certainly with that continuity of being done by the same company. So it's a testament to Don behind me, and his chap helps him, James, as well. So we'll check back in with this boat when she's back in the water, and we'll do a revisit when she's on the pontoon and show you what she looks like there when the teak's been done and all that type of thing. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe. We'll leave you with some drone running shots from when we listed her back earlier in the year, and we'll go from there. So keep watching. Welcome back to our channel, and we got something good for you today. We are on board one of my favourite ever Sunseekers, a Superhawk 43, and this is a fantastic example of a Superhawk, triple engined. Come with us, we're going to give you a full tour and see this boat running at speed. So as promised, we're back here in Torquay. You've seen some drone footage of this awesome looking Superhawk. And what I really wanted to do, and just to finish this video off, is just to show you she's back on her berth. She's safe. She's got these lovely covers now on protecting her from the UV and the rain. Now we haven't got any rain today, it's lovely weather, but it really does just hopefully give you an impression of this boat in this video of just how well it's been maintained. We really do want to stress the current owner's owned it for excess of 10 years. We've known it from new. It's in great condition. She ran back beautifully. We actually managed to take a bit of footage when we were out on a sea trial on another boat, and we'll show you a bit of that at the end. It's from an iPhone, so it's not perfect, but it just shows you how awesome she looks outside the River Dart. And Don, who brought her back, I think had a very nice trip back with his crew. So if you're interested in this boat, please do, you'll see our details on the video, but also our details will be in the description below. So if it is of interest, or you want to know more, you want to learn more about it, please do get in contact. We'd love to hear from you, and thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Let us know if you'd like to see more of these condition update videos. Speak to you again soon.